Hello everyone, it's Friday. I have the day off today because Sips is closed yesterday. If you are in America, we celebrate Thanksgiving and yesterday I hosted. I had to sneeze, that's why I'm like So I hosted, and I had my niece and nephew here for 2 days. Anyways, yikes. I just had like a major sneezing attack. So anyways, I hosted Thanksgiving, and then the kids were here. And today, I just get to relax and chill. I do have a mess to clean up in the kitchen because literally once we were done with dinner, I was just like, we're just gonna be done. I was like, I'll do the dishes tomorrow, it's fine. But when I woke up to make myself some coffee, I looked at the kitchen, I go, oh my god, this is giving me anxiety. This is why I want a bigger kitchen. If I had a dishwasher, this wouldn't be a problem. But I don't have a dishwasher, so, you know. It's been snowing a little bit this morning. I also have to film today. Dawn after work is going over to her friend's house, so I have plenty of time to, like, film and get some videos up. I am way behind on vlogs. It's been crazy. But guys, now the holiday season has started. What do you guys want, or like, what are you planning to do during the holiday season? Let me know. I guess I can say this because we're close enough. No, I'm just gonna make it a surprise for everybody if it happens, because we're not sure if the thing I'm thinking is gonna happen, so I'm just not gonna say it unless we can confirm and know for sure. So, yeah, I'm going to get crack-a-lackin' on something, anything. Oreo is here, and, I'm gonna give him a little, I mean, it's early, it's 10 o'clock, but I'm gonna give him a little bit of something to nibble on, because it's snowing. Alright, so real life, it's 1:30. I just now did the first round of dishes, which, holy moly, it still looks like I did nothing. So, I mean, real life, the Thanksgiving horror, when you don't have a dishwasher, looks like this. When you have a tiny kitchen and no dishwasher. There we go. So, these are the dishes I just did. But I still have all of these, all of this, all of this. And then I have to take care of what's in there, finish taking care of what's in here. And yeah. I mean, yeah. Hello, friends. It's Thursday. It's a super, super windy Thursday. Oh my goodness gracious. It's very windy. I don't know if you can hear the wind. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. I don't know. So yes, it's Thursday, and it's actually freaking 11 o'clock already, and oh, my neighbor's outside. Please don't see me sitting here. I'm still drinking coffee. So today I plan on finally actually doing a Killstar haul. I have my coveted little envelope of things I bought like maybe a month ago. But I wanted to get that up and going just because A, you guys like the Killstar hauls. B, maybe potentially some possible Christmas gift ideas for people in your lives or yourself. I don't know. Yeah, I just, I don't know. I might start wrapping some presents. I've got some presents here already. Yeah, I don't know. It's chaos. I've ordered a bunch of stuff and I've bought a bunch of stuff. It is all over my library right now. So, also, yeah, I don't think I've actually filmed since Thanksgiving because, so Thanksgiving was Thursday, so a week from today it would have been. The Friday I felt fine, and then Friday night, actually I should say Saturday morning, I woke up with the 24-hour flu. Dad and I both had the 24-hour flu. It was awful. No, it was not the other thing. This was the 24-hour flu. It was awful. I felt really sick. I had to miss work Saturday and Sunday. It was not great. And I felt bad because Saturday was Small Business Saturday, and I'm sure we were really busy. And oh, this wind. I'm sure we were really busy. And me not being there was probably not a good thing. So I felt really bad. But when you work in food service, you can't be throwing up and working. So, but I'm better. 100%. Like I said, it was a 24-hour bug. So I was sick for 24 hours. And then the next day, if you've ever had the 24-hour bug, you kind of just like, yeah, I just want to kind of lay here. Recover. So yeah, so I'm better. I'm gonna drink the last bit of my coffee and then get myself put together and start filming this Killstar haul. Like I said, it's a little bit smaller of a haul, which is fine. And then also to look forward to all these books, not the top part of my cart, but all these books on the bottom. We have to do a haul. So, oh, speaking of books, this is the longest clip ever. Speaking of books, this is what I'm reading right now. This is The Holiday Swap by Maggie Knox. I think a little over 100 pages in. Yeah, I'm 110 pages in. This book is so stinking cute. I always try to read one Christmas book a year around this time. And this is it. So two sisters, two twins, both living kind of different lives, kind of are having a hard time. I'm kind of trying to give a quick synopsis. The one sister has an accident. She gets a concussion. The concussion leaves her not being able to smell or taste, which is bad because she is a, what's it called? She is the host of this baking show, so she has this grand idea to switch places with her sister. So, of course, switching places is like chaos, and yeah, it's starting to get pretty fun, this book. So highly recommend if you're looking for a holiday book. It's really cute. But yeah, I'm gonna finish my coffee, watch some more Vlogmas videos from people, and get the day started. Alright, so it's 12:30. I just finished getting ready to film. Got this beautiful I'm like super impressed with myself. Eye look going on. It got super dark. Like scary dark. Like really scary dark outside. Yeah, it's still windy. The girls, let me show you the girls. They never huddle next to each other. And this is, I mean, this is the closest they get. Like the fact that their butts are actually touching. Hi, Nat. Luna? Luna? Yeah, this goes to show how windy it is, and they just are like, nah, we don't like this. So I'm gonna hopefully get going on filming. I'm gonna do the Killstar haul. It's a really mini haul. It should be up by now because I literally am going to film this. I'm gonna do the little try-on portion that I do and start editing it. That's like the next video that needs to go up, so it's going up. Just have to clear my space. I kind of have a new filming setup idea. I don't know if it's gonna work, so I kind of need to get this stuff figured out and on the move now before we hopefully knock on wood, lose power, because our town loses power pretty easy. So yeah, I'm gonna start doing that. All right, guys, so it is 8 o'clock. The wind is still going like crazy. Don is over at a friend's house. I could have gone over there, but I was like, I just want to go home after teaching. So I made some Trader Joe's chicken lo mein. Natalie is, she's nuts. What you see, girl? What? What do you see? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? That's right. So I have some lo mein, and then I kind of did this crazy thing that's an egg in the middle. I'm waiting for it to kind of cool down a little bit because I did stick it in my toaster oven, which is a mess, needs to be cleaned. But I'm waiting for it to cool down just a little bit. But yes, that is an egg in my lo mein. Do not judge me. Any excuse to put an egg into something, I'm like, yes, I need it. I need it now. Don't know if I mentioned this. I probably did mention it this morning. I talked a lot this morning. We're getting an espresso machine. Where we're sticking it in this kitchen, I have no idea. But yeah, I'm really excited to get this espresso machine and start playing around with it. So tomorrow when I'm at work, I'm going to make sure I bring home some espresso beans so I can play around with it, because Don ordered it, so he's getting all the confirmations, and he goes, it says Saturday, but you know, maybe it might be Friday. In which case, you know what I'm going to be doing tomorrow? I'm going to be playing around with the espresso machine all night. What do you do on a crazy Friday night? I'm playing with an espresso machine. That's how it is. So really excited about that. Also, exciting news. Congratulations are in whatever. My niece Michaela, turkey conqueror of the world, made the basketball team today. Like, this girl is so athletic. It's insane. I mean, soccer, now basketball. I'm excited. I know a little bit about basketball, seeing as I was a cheerleader for a basketball team. I know a little bit about it, but I'm really excited to see her play. Yeah, man, she's so athletic. Like, why can't I, A, be as smart and be as less athletic as she was, or she is currently. This girl also is in chorus. She's got like a chorus concert next week. Insane. What did I even do with my life? I feel like I did nothing with my life. Sad. Alright, so this is about to be so satisfying. I'm gonna break the... Oh, yes. Okay. Yes, so this is the chicken lo mein that now has egg running all throughout it. If you need me, I'm gonna be eating this. Yes. Yes. Look at that. Guys, it's here. My espresso machine is here. It arrived. Look at. Now I just have to unbox it. Look at that. Look at that. See that? Espresso machine. Barista Express. In black sesame. Alright, I'm gonna open this and play around with it. So excited. Juniper. Hi. Oh, so. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi, sweetie. Hello, honey.